Audi first showed the serial Q7 crossover in 2005 at the Frankfurt Motor Show. The first generation lasted on the assembly line for almost 10 years. At the end of 2014, the second generation debuted. This model experienced the first serious restyling in the summer of 2019. Despite the fact that the time is already approaching for another generational change, Audi developers are updating the current SUV. The project is at its final stage. Previously, a restyled crossover with a disguised front and rear managed to ride under the lenses of photo spies. A test prototype was seen on public roads in Germany and Northern Europe last winter. The company has so far kept the appearance of the updated Q7 a secret. However, there are already assumptions about the exterior of the novelty. In the lower part of the front bumper and on the sides there are air intakes. The head optics are connected to the radiator grille. The headlights of the car in the render have a narrower shape and ticks of LED daytime running lights. The updated Q7 will retain the traditional side mirrors and conventional door handles. The stern is likely to be freshened up due to the corrected lights, which will still be interconnected by a thin chrome line that runs almost the entire width of the tailgate. It is expected that the interior will also receive a small portion of changes. Most likely, the refreshed crossover will have different materials for finishing, a different multifunction steering wheel and an expanded list of equipment, including new driver's assistants. Virtual Tidy and touchscreen infotainment system will remain the same, but will receive new software. According to preliminary data, the refreshed Audi Q7 range will include the same internal combustion engines, working in tandem with a 48-volt electric suspension, which the current crossover has. In addition, rechargeable hybrids will remain in the lineup, and it is possible that the installation can be given a larger battery in order to increase the range on a single charge. For current versions, the indicator is 43 km when driving only on electric traction. The refreshed SUV of the German brand will go on sale in the European market next year, and the premiere is likely to take place before the end of 2023. In the future, the model is waiting for another generation change.